back. Beautiful Friday morning. This should be the last day unless something catastrophic happens, which, you know, that's possible. We only got this little section to do. Hopefully that's one load he dropped here yesterday. That should be it. And we got this little section. I'm sure we'll need about 5 tons. And if you went to the pit close to here, 5 tons is about as much as 20 tons. My brother Squirt showed up from Florida. He's flying a drone, getting us some drone footage that I got for Christmas like 3 years ago. I told you guys I'm not savvy with that type stuff. There it is, eyes in the sky. Man, you gotta watch these rocks here. When you drop one and you run over it and you just pepper the whole dang driveway. Only you can help my channel grow. I mean, our channel. This community, it's a family. Think about that when you're chillaxing on your couch, hopefully drinking an Alani or a Red Bull. Only you can help my channel, our channel. It's a movement. It's a dirt family. We may just be dysfunctional in ways, but we're all cut from the same cloth. Even the guy that sitting in New York at his computer screen watching us sweat, he wishes he could be sweating. I hear you. I've heard you. I've heard the comments. I had a guy call me, had a office job for whatever, I don't know, he had a degree. He said, man, I just quit. He said, I could not take it no more. I said, awesome, man. So I helped him lead him in the right direction where to go at a local company. He wanted to see if I was armed, but I ain't nothing he wanted to work for. He would need a steady income with some benefits, so I told him where to go. That they would probably train him up and help, you know what I mean? And a lot of companies are looking for just good, able-bodied people that can use their mind. They'll teach you up what you need to do. You got the motivation and work ethic and want to do it, really isn't much that can stop you. I mean, I remember, you know, starting a retail business and sitting there, see how that stuff falls out, and then you run over it, makes more fall out. Sitting there days, you know, there might not be anybody come in. I'd call my mom, all frustrated, and she would always definitely re-encourage me. There's a will, there's a way. If you got the fire in your gut, you'll make it happen. Or if your back's up against the wall, you got 2 house payments left in the bank, you find yourself doing things you might not normally do. Been there, done that. Trying to work in 0-degree weather, your seal's blown out on your skid loader, but you still got to make that $600. I kind of like that though. I mean, that builds character. I mean, everything was easy and just given to somebody. You know, going through school and out of school, the people that some of the kids that had well-off parents and good businesses, and parents did everything for them, and you would think they would take over the family business, whatever. 99% of the time, they were screw-offs and messed it up. I tell you, we're going to be cutting it real close with the material. We just got this little section, and I got to prep and get that section over there done. I tell you, I went, when I bid this for rock, I went double. And when I bid it for material, I went double. But after we got in, there was no other way to do it but the right way. We had to bring that material all the way to the top and get it covering that, and then get enough rock on it. You'll have that. I think that's pretty good, ain't it?
Yeah.
I say we'll use that other pile that's over there. We're gonna get little rocks in it and we'll get it down on that edge because I want to get that tarp down. Right, unit boy?
Yep.
That's right. What's Squirt doing? Squirt, what you doing? Did it crash or just land?
Oh no! On the building, on your house or on your barn, it crashed.
Did you get out and get a whole picture of the whole thing?
Not yet. I'm not quite that good yet.
Oh, you're good. See, Squirt, he's like the. What are you? You like the do all the computers and stuff.
I mean, it seems really easy, but you can make a mistake really quick.
Yeah.
And like.
Good job for you. Would you go to orschellx.com, get you some apparel? Because you look bitchin'.
Now, see, like, right now I'm trapped over the lake.
Yeah.
And I don't know how to get back yet.
I've had my share of bad luck, better than none at all. Still take time to read the writing on the wall. What's going on with the neighbors?
I say if you had one of them drones and mess with your neighbors.
Oh, yeah, they shoot them out of the sky. They get mad about that.
Oh, they get in trouble when they shoot them out of the sky.
Yeah. Better get right here in the morning in my happy place. My bucket out so don't get that pretty plain white riprap dirty. I don't know if that's gonna come out or not. Go grab the skeleton bucket, see if that makes it easier to grab that last little bit. I'm gonna do that last little bit with this so I don't mar the yard all up. Minimize the damage. It's just less I gotta repair. We're getting it real close. All the riprap's in. I got to go around and bang it a little bit with the Mini. Grade this up a little bit. Good thing I got about 8 more loads. 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, about 8 more loads. Square this off, top everything. Make some nice good pulls. But yeah, that's what it's turning out like. That was a big one. And we had to repair the dam too, but look at that. Looks pretty bitchin'. Definitely went over on this one as far as material and everything, but we had to do it the right way. I like sleeping at night. On my last little stretch here, getting this all added down. Friday, it's about 1:30. You guys ever get that way? You get like antsy like this, just trying to get it done quick, get the heck out of here. It's something like when you're at the end of the job, you just kind of want to, especially right now, I'm like, oh, yes, I don't know, you guys might know what I'm talking about. Not anxious, but like, just trying to, I don't know if hurry is the right word or what, but trying to get through it, get loaded, get out. Once you're at a job so long, you're just kind of ready to move on. See something new. Which I'm sitting here thinking about, I don't know where I'm going Monday. I've been on this line, had time to really think about much. I feel like I got ants in my pants. Well, here's the finished product. Looks good. We can step back, take a look at it. Look how good everything looks. That's one thing that's cool. Like, I drive by so many spots, I'm like, oh, I did that, I put a septic there, I did this there. Sense of accomplishment. You got to get through overcome some stuff, but it's all good. It'll look real good when we get this all laid in there. I'll show you that. But that's it right there. Turned out good. The thing with this, man, the heat, it was brutal in the beginning. I mean, it doesn't bother me so much, but man, my dad, I could just tell it was killing him. I don't want to work somebody like that. I'll get it till 6, 7 at night. I don't care, but I don't want to put somebody else in misery if they don't have to be. They're doing me a favor by being out here helping. You guys are doing me a favor by watching, liking, and subscribing and being part of this dirt movement. How you think it turned out, Carlito?
Real nice.
Real nice. Man, I tell you what, you guys kicked ass. Appreciate the hard work, dedication. You guys make a hell of a team. There's no I in family.
Nope.
Actually, that's how bad my spelling is. One last one for the gooch. Well, like always, keep doing what you guys do, whatever that may be. Living 100, keeping it 100. Till the next adventure. Like I said, I don't even know where I'm gonna end up Monday. I've been on this and my mind's been so occupied. Do what you do and you'll find out. Stick with us.